What's your favorite flavor of ice cream? And what's your favorite type of pizza? Also, do you like mac and cheese? Well, did you know that all of these foods have a sugar called lactose? These foods contain milk and cheese, which are in dairy products, and hurt the tummies of people who have lactose intolerance. So, hi, my name is Lydia Ann Hukilan, and today I will be talking about the lactose intolerance in some individuals. So what is lactose intolerance? Lactose intolerance is when someone can't properly digest lactose. So lactose is a sugar that's found in dairy products such as yogurt, milk, your ice cream, and also cheeses in cheeseburgers. So what happens when your tummy can't digest food? Well, being lactose intolerant actually makes you gassy. And if lactose isn't broken down into your tummy's intestines, then it will travel into your colon, right over here. And your colon has bacteria in it that will break down the lactose, which ferments it to make you feel gassy and also fart. And did you know lactose intolerance is actually genetic? The lactose gene is called the LCT gene, and it contains instructions for our body to make lactose enzymes. And our bodies can't break down lactose without this enzyme, which is one of the reasons why people who are lactose intolerant can't break down these lactose sugars. And if that's the case, then you can't eat ice cream happily, which is really sad. The science behind lactose intolerance. So yes, lactose is a sugar, and there's a lactose enzyme that is meant to help you digest dairy foods, like your ice cream. And actually, lactose intolerance can be genetically inherited. So, our Superman LCT gene. This gene is the one that helps our bodies break down lactose with this enzyme. So once again, the lactose LCT Superman gene helps our body absorb lactose sugars for energy so that we can be happy and stay healthy. So the science behind lactose intolerance. The enzyme, the LCT lactase, actually helps break down these sugars by doing this mechanism so that it is easier to digest and be broken down and absorbed by our body so that we can use it as energy. Which means if you're lactose intolerant, you don't have these enzymes to break down the sugars. And if you don't have these enzymes, then your tummy will hurt and you can't absorb the lactose. So yes, lactose intolerance is actually genetically inherited. This right over here is a gene. And DNA is the recipe for life because it helps tell your cells what to do, and it gives instructions for our body on how to function and has information that determines how we look, like our hair color and eye color. So once again, lactose intolerance is genetic. It's actually an autosomal recessive inheritance, meaning if you're lactose intolerant, your mom and dad may not show signs of having lactose intolerance, and they could probably eat ice cream very well. But if you have lactose intolerance, you can't eat your ice cream very well. Roughly 75 to 95 African Americans and Asian Americans are also lactose intolerant. Once again, lactose intolerant means that they don't have the LCT Superman gene to help break down these lactose sugars. Thanks for watching this presentation, and I hope you have a good day. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact me with my email. Bye!